Hey guys, do you want to access all of your draft posts on Facebook in 2024 in one click only? So don't you worry because you're on the right place. In this video, I'm going to tell you the exact way how to find all of your draft posts on Facebook at once. So before we start, my name is Stark and you're watching the Starkness Guide YouTube channel on which I upload the tutorials and tricks for all of the social media apps and many more. So what are you waiting for? Just hit that subscribe button down below and press that bell icon to stay connected. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And first of all, just simply open up your Facebook app. In order to access all of your draft posts, just simply what you all have to do is just first of all create a random post. Here just simply type some words and after that, just don't post it. Wait, I'm telling you. Here, just save it as a draft. Tap back and tap it save as a draft. Here you can see we have get a notification. Just scroll down and tap on that notification. By tapping on that notification, you will get a list of all of your draft posts at one click. So here you can access them. This is the only way to access all of your draft posts at once. Here, just find a post which you want to access just like that, edit it, and then post it as you want. Here you get all of your posts. In order to delete a specific post or discard, just simply find that specific post and tap at this three dot in front of that post just like that, and tap at discard draft and tap delete to continue. Like in this way you can do that. So that's how you can easily access or find all of your draft posts at once within one click. So I hope it helps you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorials, just leave me in the comment section below and I'll be catching you in the next video. And do not forget to check the latest video on the end screen. Thanks guys. Goodbye till the next video.